Hey everybody, I'm Jake. I'll be your instructor for this fall course. Um, just wanted to put a face to this voice that you'll probably hear in the rest of the videos. Probably just be screencasts of me going through some things, and I'll be talking through them to tell you, what's going on in the videos. But just wanted to put a face to that voice and just set up a couple things here. Just wanted to show you the book we're going to be using for the course, just to make sure you get the right one. If you're getting a book, um, which is required, so you should get it. It's got a lot of notes in it and possibly some work we're going to be doing out of it. After that, I just kind of wanted to run through here a little bit about me and a little bit about this course. So me, I went to LCSC as you guys are all doing. I completed my computer science degree. After that, I went on and achieved my master's from the University of DePaul in e-commerce. So that's my educational background. Work-wise, I worked for SEL up there in Pullman for a little while, and then I did some adjunct teaching at the college in the computer science department. Moved over to Portland for a little bit and worked for a company there, a web development company. After that, left and went to another web development company, which was Telecommute, kind of the same way that this course is happening. So have a little background in that from the working world. And then recently here in this past year, kind of branched out and started my own business doing web development. And so that's currently where I'm at, still doing web development, mainly using PHP with the Drupal framework. Obviously, HTML5, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery, jQuery UI, Bootstrap. All the things we're going to be seeing in this course are things I touch on a daily basis for the past couple of years now, since technology's really grown mainstream here. So anything that you're going to see in this class, is something that I've got a lot of work experience with, as well as having seen in the academic environment. So with that said, kind of what we're going to be going through in this class is it's been broken down into like 12 sessions, which are really kind of 3 groups of 4 weeks of sessions, and weeks kind of, per 1 week per session is kind of what we're shooting for here. So the first kind of grouping is going to be really just core JavaScript. We're looking at the basic syntaxes, how the data is stored, control statements, arrays, how JavaScript interacts with the DOM. What is the DOM? Some objects, functions, events, things that are built into JavaScript, as well as just some basic testing and debugging within the browser. So after we finish that up, we're going to head on over to checking out what jQuery is all about. The basics of it, the selectors that are involved, some methods, manipulations, traversals, forms, animations, plugins. Kind of just, really getting the foundation of it established that we can go on and build from there into kind of the next things. And the next things being like what are plugins for it, what is jQuery UI. We're going to spend some time on that. Then we're going to look at JSON, JSON-P, AJAX, which is asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Some people say it like the football team from Holland, Ajax, but it's actually pronounced Ajax. The J is hard here. We're going to look at hitting some APIs up, what we can do with API integration. Then we're going to look at Twitter Bootstrap, JavaScript components, and modules for it, because it's become, mainstream. Then lastly, kind of the last session we're going to have in this course, I'm going to have a friend of mine do a guest lecture on closures and classes. And the reason I'm going to have a guest lecturer is because he is a senior JavaScript developer He's worked for a few big companies, State Farm, he did their mobile apps, PayPal, he did their JavaScript integration recently in their new updated REST API. Now he's gone on and he's working for a small startup company in the television space. So he's going to be touching on closures and classes, hopefully getting some nitty-gritty stuff in there involved as well. So it's kind of just an overview of this course. There's going to be another video this week, which I'm going to go through just some basics in JavaScript. Try to get at least 1 or 2 videos per week up that have walkthroughs of kind of the lecture, so that you're not completely on your own. And then obviously, any questions, feel free to email me, jmlake@lcsc.edu, and try to get them hashed out. So it's all from me from this FaceTime video. The rest of it, like I said, you'll probably just see screencasts. So thanks, and here's to hoping everybody and wishing everybody a good semester. Thanks.